guys.
Action star.
Where's the kalaban? Where? Where the kalaban? Ha?
Lights, camera, action!
Shoot! Say hi, guys. Shoot! I-shoot! Oh! Galing! Galing, oh. Eh? Galing. Knockdown. Knockdown ng kalaban.
Bali na may zombie.
Ha?
Bali yung zombie.
Where's the zombie? Shoot! Bang, bang!
Patay.
Ang galing yung baril na yan. Oh? Shoot!
Tapos na yan, yan ang retreat.
Oh, ayan, oh.
At kung ano,
May nagsushooting na din, may nagsushoot na dito. Oh. Batang Quiapo! Si Batang Quiapo. Hi guys, ayan na si Batang Quiapo. Knockdown. Say guys.
Guys, what is the monsters? They're scary zombies.
Is this zombie scary? Ha?
He's a guy.
Ha? Oh no.
pwede mo mag-vlog dito,
Ha?
pwede magdala ng
Big
tubig
is the cows.
o ng water.
Where?
Ano ninyo,
Look.
pero bawal
Oh.
kang magdala ng food.
Hey.
Dahil merong coffee shop doon o restaurant.
Oh.
Ayun ang magandang view.
Where's the kalaban? Shoot mo kalaban. Shoot. Shoot.
Oop!
Oh!
Ano kaya yun?
What happened? Ano ba yan? Ha? So hurt?
Here's the zombies.
Ha? Where's Thomas?
Oh, there's over there. Look, just here.
Ha? Oh. Ay. What happened? What happened?
Nakaka-presko dito yun.
What do you see?
Ilang table to sir?
Ha?
Ha?
What do you see? Why? Ha?
Wait a minute.
Ayan na siya guys, umaarte na. Oh.
Oo.
Eh,
These are super.
Dito po,
Ha?
din kami sa mga table na nakita namin sa paligid.
oh, ayan na oh.
Okay.
Huh?
Pero kailangan serve.
Hey!
Dito, all serve mo.
Say lights, camera, action, cry. Cry.
Hey, Thomas! Look at Thomas.
Yun ba yun? Yung ginagawa? Oo, yung kitchen nila. So, tingnan natin yung mga food dito.
Look, mama.
Where?
Where?
Where's Thomas?
I don't know where Thomas. Ando sa Thomas Morato.
Huh?
Thomas Morato.
Huh? Yes.
Where Thomas Morato?
Yes.
So, ito, yung
Ha?
pinapakita ko dito.
You want to go there?
Ito ang
Thomas Morato?
i-recommend nila.
Ha? You have money?
Saka yung
Where's your money? Where you put your money? Huh? You have money?
salad na yan, katulad yan ng
Money.
sinabi ko kanina.
You have money?
Dito sa farm.
No.
Huh?
This is Mario.
Huh?
See?
What? What do you see? Do you see something?
Ano ba?
Oh no!
Galing natin sila.
I'm scared.
Ito pala ang mga halamanan.
Mama scared.
It's already. I just to kill it.
You kill it?
Ano yan?
You know how to kill the monster? You kill it?
At ito na yung
The monster, the candies.
Oh, you give candy to the monster? And then what happened to the monster? You kill the monster? How you kill the monster? Show to mama. How you kill the monster? I'm scared the monster, ah. Ah?
Ay, na mga fish mo.
Kill it. Talaga naman.
Kill it.
Ah.
No.
You know how to kill the monster? Huh? Oh, kill the monster.
Meron pa palang
Because mama scared monster.
pagka-witness kayo pumunta
Hirap
dito.
naman talagang may anak kang foreigner, guys.
Punuan.
My nose is bleeding.
When you kill it, no?
You see my nose is bleeding?
Pero meron siyang tanong na.
Ha? My nose is bleeding.
Lalo na yung mga
Can you talk Tagalog? Ha? Sometimes it's because you know I don't know how to speak English. Ha? I don't know how to speak English. You're so very hard to talk. Ha?
Ito halimbawa gusto namin
Oh.
magpipigil.
You learn to speak Tagalog ha? Because you are Bisaya, okay?
Hindi, para alam naman ng kabayan natin. Ay, ano
Are you Bisaya? You know you're Bisaya. Ha? Oh,
Shh. The bus.
Oh, listen to mama.
The children playing on bus.
Oh,
The mochi girl so mimi bus.
okay. Oh, talk to mama. Talk to mama. Look, mama.
It's yellow.
Yellow. Where's the color yellow? From now on, you putik, oh. From now on, you learn how to speak Tagalog and Bisaya, ah?
Yes.
It's because mama so hard to speak you. Okay? Ha? Nahirapan akong putik. Ha? Hey, you understand, mama? Ha? You understand, mama? Are you Bisaya? Ha?
Yung presyo niya, hindi nag-arify mo.
You are Bisaya, guys. Say hi, guys.
Oo.
Say hi, guys. I'm Bisaya, guys.
So, hindi naman naglalayo.
You know you're Bisaya and you took me English.
Yes.
You speak Bisaya.
It's good to Thomas.
I don't know, Thomas. Can you speak?
Bus.
Ha?
Show me the bus. So you want a bus.
Say
Show me the queen.
say marami. No many. Ha?
This is show me a bus queen. This is got yellow. And then a green. And I'm going to red.
Wow, so many colors. Oh my God. I told you, you speak Bisaya. Oy.
Why?
Oy.
Mama, this is a bus on the carrot. A yellow on the bus.
Oh, you so many colors.
The bus. A yellow bus. And then a yellow and a green.
Oh, what color do you like?
Bus. And a red.
Look, Mama.
Bus. The red. and
Look, mama mo na.
Bus.
Now on you speak. You speak.
Don't cut you.
Oh. From now on you speak Bisaya or Tagalog, ha? Ha? Because mama's nose is bleeding. You know, my head is aching. Ha? You are Bisaya, di ba? Are you Bisaya? Ang hirap makipag-usap sa foreigner. Hoy!
Makapagdating ng Makati, matapos.
Okay? You learn to you watch Bisaya and Tagalog, ha? Movie?
Yellow, the bus, green, the bus, and the green is the bus. And the bus, the green is so many bus.
So many bus. Where do you see the so many bus?
The bus.
Yellow bus? Is it a big bus?
The squirrel.
Is it a big bus? Oh. You wanna ride a bus? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye na. Say bye na. Bye, guys.
He's coming.
It's coming. Where's coming? Say bye-bye, guys. Yan pong nagaganap dito sa gabing ito. Hirap pakiusap. Pag may anak kang Porinoy. Ha? Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
He's coming.
Please subscribe. Say please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Talk to them. Say bye-bye. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. O say bye-bye.
Marching a bus.
Where's your bye-bye?
Here it is.
Oh, you have a magic one.
Make a bus. Go away.
Ha?
Go away, bus.
Okay, that's for today.
Bus.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Go with
Bye.
bus.
Okay.